Today's video is a review on the Coach Empire bag, which I have right here. A few years ago, we had the Coach Tubby bag that was super popular. I can't actually remember why, but I never got one of those bags. That bag was everywhere. Kind of glad I didn't get it at this point in time because now I don't feel like it's as popular. I feel like Coach is known for good quality bags. It's still a luxury brand, I feel like, in my eyes. Definitely premium. It's not cheap, but the bags are obviously not as expensive as like Gucci, Prada, Dior. You know, I'm just naming other luxury bags. You can obviously tell from my accent, you know, I'm from the UK. So though Coach is popular here, in the US, as I know, it's where it's super popular. It came to my attention this Empire bag, definitely by the US girlies, which I follow. It took me a long time to get hold of this bag. It was out of stock in the UK website, or I was looking for it for months. I was thinking, am I ever going to get this bag? I'm not sure if it was the same in the US. So if I didn't actually go into store, so maybe it was in store. The thing is, I don't have a Coach near where I live. I don't live in London. I even considered getting it shipped from the US, but I thought that is not going to be cost efficient at all with the shipping and the customs. And for reference, the most important thing I should have mentioned first, this is the size 40, okay? So here we go, a bit more closer. And it is in the honey brown colour, like a tan colour, but Coach put it honey brown. That comes in a few different sizes. I can't remember off the top of my head. I think you have a 26, you have the 40, then you have the 48. I think there was another size, was there 35? I'm not sure. We have, on the UK website right now, let me just have a look. 26, 40 and 48 by size, but I swear there was another size, but I don't know if we have that in the UK. I feel like the smallest size was available for a while. It's the biggest sizes for some reason that are popular, like this size here and then the 48, because it's like a tote bag. I'm sure the small sizes keep, like, you know, big bags kind of are having a moment. They've always been anyway, but you can throw everything in. A lot of people use this as a work bag. The big sizes that were sold out, I got this for £695. So in the US, you would have paid up, but you would pay less. That's what happens when a brand is from a certain country. It's the cheapest to buy in that country. I said before, same as like Burberry, cheaper to buy here in the UK. This was the size that I really wanted. This is the size that I got. There is the big size, but I wasn't sure if that would be too big for me. And the big size retails, so I think about, is it £950? So I was like, I'm getting this bag to get a good quality but affordable bag. I'm not looking to spend a luxury price. At £950 is going towards the £1,000 mark. Still quite pricey. When I tell you I was checking the website every single day for this bag, which never came back in stock. Then one day I happened to check on a whim and they had this new colourway, so it probably was available in the US, I said, but this honey brown was new in the UK. Coming before here in like a black and burgundy. I feel like for some reason the black was not popular. Actually, black bag is a popular colour because it goes everything and what I would go for, but I actually did not want the black, and I feel like it's not been popular because people have been like, this isn't breaking the bank, let's have this bag as a bit of injection colour in my wardrobe. Burgundy colour, burgundy was trending a lot in autumn winter. I was thinking I wanted to get in burgundy. That wasn't available. I've never seen it in stock. I obviously don't go on the website now daily as I was before checking because I have the bag. You could sign up for baggage on notification, but when I tell you on the UK website at the time, you could sign up for notifications for the black, but it would not even let me sign up for the burgundy. I felt like there was too many people on the waiting list. So I have had several emails but saying the black was in stock. Sorry, the 40 comes in black, honey brown and burgundy. And then the 48 is only available on the burgundy UK website, but it's not in stock. It will also shock me as well, hey, if you're looking to buy this bag or a Coach bag, there's a 10% Coach, you know, a discount code, and I thought it would not work on the popular bags. It's usually what websites do, and it actually let me get 10% off, which shocked me. I don't know if Coach is even aware of that. Fair play to them. I got 10% off this, which was great. It did take a while to get shipped, I can't lie. It did take a little while to come. I did do a little unboxing video on TikTok, unwrapping it. Loads of people doing unboxing videos on TikTok. I saw people with dust bag and I thought, where's my dust bag? I thought, oh, they're not giving me a dust bag. It didn't come in a dust bag. It was just kind of inside. This is a dust bag for reference. But like, it's quite underwhelming. It's white and it's not very thick. It does say Coach on it. I do keep the bag in this dust bag. I really wish some brands would just not do white dust bags because I know it's a dust bag, but already I've got makeup on it. It fits the bag in, but handles do kind of poke at the top. Yeah, there, I've literally just popped it in to demonstrate to you. So the handles are sticking out the top. Don't know whether to just make it a bit bigger. Was come in so much plastic and stuff. I don't actually know. I probably could find that easily to look whether this actually came from the US. If it did come from the US. It took me a long time to unwrap the bag, stuff it in there. I've got a receipt in there as well. Can you see this is the size knit? Pretty big. There's a big pocket here and you can see that. It comes with a strap, okay? You've probably seen it if you looked at the bag. I'm going to hook the straps on these two. Do you call them D-locks? Either side. That's nice, but me personally, obviously this is not obviously a crossbody bag because I've gone for the big size like this. I never really get straps to just put on the side of your, on the shoulder, sorry. Just wouldn't really use it. Got like a Louis Vuitton vintage Keepall and I'm like, but isn't that really heavy to be on your shoulder? Maybe it's helpful for some people. But when it was being sourced, I had it sourced with the LV Keepall. I just did not bother about the strap because I wouldn't use that personally. So I would just be carrying it, you know, like this as a tote bag, handbag. I don't know what happened when I was unpackaging it. Somehow it has come off. I put a strap somewhere I'm just like, where has that come off? This Coach tag on it here, which is what it is. I don't know if I necessarily want that there, but I guess I would cut it off. Honey brown colour. It's basically tanned. It's a light brown, it's a honey brown, but it's also like just a tan brown, isn't it? People say, well, burgundy's not trending all the time, and this is probably more wearable brown, but I have a few brown bags now, and I was actually willing to inject some colour in my bag collection, have the burgundy, but this is nice. It's a great tote. If you're in the office, you could wear it. I don't work in an office, so I'm not a corporate girly, unfortunately, so that's my work bag. I work in a hospital setting, don't really carry expensive bags to work. I don't want you to use this actually when I was going away for a weekend, like just an overnight stay. The average person probably could fit the stuff in it, but it wasn't big enough, unfortunately, so I stuck my Longchamp bag. I went to Paris a couple of weeks ago and I saw someone with the 48. It's the first time I haven't seen anyone with this bag in real life till I got it. So I didn't see it all over social media, but it looked so good. I would love that as like a real and different like overnight bag, because that wouldn't really fit my stuff, whereas this is a bit too small for that. So then I was like, try and get like the 48, but it's never in stock. I think the price is fair. Coach is a premium luxury bag compared, and it's a big tote bag. Not that I'm someone that buys and sell bags, but I knew when getting this bag that it was a good investment because it's always sold out. I changed my mind about it. I could sell it for at least the same value. And that's the other thing as well. Of course, I check websites like Vestiaire, Vinted to see if the bag was there. I could buy it off there, but I couldn't get it. And Vestiaire had it, but people were trying to sell it for more than the retail price. Obviously, it was sold out and so popular, and obviously I wasn't up for paying more than the retail price. I think the bag is a good investment. I'm going to be honest, so I've had this bag for a couple of months now, well over a month, and I have not carried it a great deal, which is a shame. It's not because I don't like it, it's just a big bag. I don't have many tote bags, so that's why I was happy to invest in this one. I've spoken before about, I think about security bags, and I do carry crossbody bags a lot. Obviously, I haven't had a chance to carry it a lot yet. My everyday bags are more like my Loewe puzzle bags. I was renting a bag, a Bottega Andiamo, for a while, so when I'm renting a bag to try it out, then I'm likely to use it because I'm like, I only have it for a short period of time. I think this is why I was thinking to get a bigger 48 size, then it could be my overnight bag. I do have Longchamp bags for that, but it seems that everyone has Longchamp bags, which I admitted before that I was late to the game with Longchamp, like, so I'm one of the everywhere. I always have them, and I wanted one a bit different, so this Coach bag would be that in the size 48. But I bet you it's obviously a lot heavier than Longchamp bags, which are light and can roll up. So I don't know how, but I seem to have accumulated quite a few brown bags recently. Because I remember saying to myself less than a year ago, I have no brown bags, I need to actually think about investments. But so now I've suddenly got quite a few brown bags, so there's also that. I still love this bag. You know, a good price point for a premium bag. Excited to use her. This bag, I've seen Coach have released the Empire 34. So I knew this was actually coming out, and this is an east-west style bag, you know, which were big last season. I think it will still continue to be big, so I think I like the Teco vibes. And this is cute, and the price is very reasonable. It's more affordable. This is £450. You got that in 3 colours. You got it in the black, the burgundy, and the brown. These are the colours we're getting here. Because the thing is, I saw this bag. I think this bag came in maybe like a navy in the US. I'm not sure, but I think it did. We don't have that. Maybe even like to come in green, I'm not sure. And they still have all 3 colours at the minute. And this is, if you're interested in East-West bag, this is a great price and it's a cute bag. I'll be interested to know, Coach did, I think, they wasn't popular, but they did really well in the past few seasons. We had the Brooklyn bag as well. The Brooklyn bag was available to get. I'm not sure it is now, but for me, I'm so bad. I do get influenced by the stuff that's harder to get. It makes me want to get them, which is bad. If the interested Coach continue to get even more popular this season's stuff, I think there's a big clutch bag that sold out really quickly within the US that the Coach have brought out. I think big clutches are going to be big this season. And make sure to watch my recent review of the Saint Laurent loafers, another item I've added to my forever wardrobe recently. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this video.